You have little bit studied about the wave optics also, right? So what is the difference between ray optics and my wave optics? What is the main difference? See, ray optics is the
लाइट
rectilinear.
के बारे में हुआ,
What beta?
अरे लाइट के बारे में हुआ और वेव ऑप्टिक्स जो वेव्स के बारे में हुआ।
हाँ, वही चीज समझा रही हूँ. In the ray optics, we will study about the laws of reflection, right? Or you can say reflection, or you can say the refraction. These laws we will study. Whereas in wave optics, we have studied about the interference. Then I might have taught you about, familiar with this word, that is the diffraction. Correct? I have little bit taught you about this thing. That is, Young's single slit is known as diffraction, double slit is known as interference. Then about the Polaroids, yes, that is known as what? Polarization of light. Just like we are seeing the 3D images, or you can say 4D type of images we are watching. These all come because of the polarization. Okay. Whereas in the ray optics, we will study about the laws of reflection and refraction, then how light is traveling, that is the rectilinear propagation of light. Rectilinear propagation of light. Understood this thing? This is the main difference between ray optics and the wave optics. Write it down in your notebook also, dear. Whatever I am teaching you. Okay. Shall I turn the page?
तो मैम रे ऑप्टिक्स वे ऑप्टिक्स का ही पार्ट हुआ ना?
So, ray optics teaches us that how light is traveling from one medium to another medium, how the ray is propagating, how the ray is propagating, they are traveling. But wave optics teaches us the pattern of the wave. Is it interference? Is it diffraction? It is coherent? It is incoherent? It is constructive? It is destructive? The pattern of waves we will study in the wave optics. We are not studying about the rays, how the light rays is traveling. In the wave can be anything, whether it is a water wave, whether it is a sound wave, whether it is a light wave. All waves will come in this category, in the wave optics. But in the ray optics, only the how the light is flowing from one medium to another, how the light bounces back, at what angle it is bouncing back, what is total. Suppose if we are seeing a sparkling image at the end of the concrete road when it is very hot, why it is happening that, why mirage is happening. These things we will study in the ray optics. How if suppose the stars are so far, how we are seeing with the help of telescope, how light is traveling from the stars and then coming to our telescope, how we can see the microscopic and organisms, that we will study in the ray optics. Understood this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Then next topic. Have you written it or not? Vivek, written?
हाँ उसका स्क्रीनशॉट भी और लिखा हुआ भी मैंने था, एक दो जगह लिखा था, नोट्स जो बनाए थे यहाँ पे। इसके स्टार्टिंग में लिखा था।
Any doubt? Shall I turn the page?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. The next thing is that about the light, the behavior of light at the interference of two mediums. Okay. See, suppose if I had taken a glass slab. Okay. If this is my glass slab. See, suppose this is my laser light. Okay, when the
तो
laser
प्रिज्म
light,
में जाके जब लाइट डिविएट होती है तो वो 7 डिफरेंट कलर्स में क्यों होती है? वो सेम कलर डिफरेंटली
में
नहीं
है,
वो
वो
स्प्रेड
भी
हो
मैं
सकता है?
पढ़ाऊंगी बेटा, दैट वी विल स्टडी इन द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. Okay, in the upcoming topics we will study that is a dispersion of light. It is known as for dispersion of light. Why dispersion of light occurs, that we will also study. Okay, so concentrate on this topic, that is the interference of the two mediums. Okay, then see, suppose if a light, if we are talking about the glass slab, okay, if one light is incident, this is what my incident light, it is making with an angle I with my normal. Normal is what? The perpendicular distance of the surface. Some of the light will what? Reflect back with the same angle, that is angle I, if the light bounces in the same medium. What medium? Same medium. If the light bounces it, then the angle of incidence should be equal to angle of reflection. This is the first rule. Second, incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal all lie in the same plane. This is the rule for what? For the reflection. Right? You might have studied in class 10th also. Next part. When some of the rays are reflected back from the surface, and most of the rays are coming towards the surface, towards, when it going inside the glass slab, most of the rays will bend towards the normal, which is known as what? By refracted ray. Why it is bending towards the normal? Because the rule says that whenever the light comes from rarer to denser medium, it will move it towards the normal. And when the light comes from denser to rarer medium, it will move away from the normal. Correct, Vibhay? These things you might have studied in class 10th also. You might have remembered these things. Vibhay?
Yes, ma'am.
This part is clear to you?
मैम डी क्या है यहाँ पे?
Where is D? D stands for denser medium. And R stands for rarer medium. Rarer medium is what? Suppose this is my rarer medium. This is suppose air. And denser
Yes,
medium is what? Glass slab. Okay? So if the light comes from the rarer to denser medium, the light will move towards the normal. And if the light moves from the denser to rarer medium, it will move away from the normal. Is this clear? Any doubt? And this is known as what? My laws of refraction. Refraction takes place always between the two different medium. And reflection takes place on same medium. That is, if I have taken a water, then the reflection occurs in the water itself. And if we are talking just like sonar, sonar is what? If we are talking about the sonar, you might have know about the sonar. That is, any object is there inside the metal object. Any object, maybe it is a fish, not fish. If suppose this is a submarine, metal submarine in the form of a ship. Okay, okay. So if this is my sonar, so sonar takes place, this is my normal. If this is sonar takes place, this is my incident ray. The reflected ray will form as a what? If this is my normal. This is what? Normal. So angle I should be equal to angle R because of the laws of reflection. Understood? Because of laws of reflection, because water, this medium is what? Water is a medium. So in the same medium, if angle I should be equal to angle R because of laws of reflection. And incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all should have to lie on the same plane. Is this clear? The medium should be same. It is not to be a different medium. If the sound wave is coming in the other side, that is by air, then the refraction takes place. Then the laws of refraction takes place. This is the denser medium. This is the rarer medium. It will move away from the normal. Clear, beta?
बट मैम सारी लाइट तो स्ट्रेट रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं होती, कुछ लाइट तो इधर उधर भी रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाती है.
वो आपकी चीजें होती है किसमें, जब आप टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन की बात कर रहे हो, जस्ट लाइक अ रेन ड्रॉप्स. When sun is here, still water is going on, then it becomes what? Scattering of light, dispersion. Because of that reason, VIBGYOR occurs. Correct? That is a different topic that we will study. Is this clear?
मैम रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाती है ना इधर उधर भी लाइट.
वो रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं होती बेटा, उसको डिस्पर्शन कहते हैं.
प्लेन सरफेस से.
बेटा प्लेन सरफेस में तभी होगी बेटा when there will be two, because see there is only not a one ray is coming, there are lot of rays are coming and lot of rays are reflecting. I have taken only one ray. When we are talking about any object, suppose say your bulb is there, here is your bulb, here is your book, so many lights are coming towards your book. Because of that reason, you can see the images very clearly. But that time, if I zoom only to one of the ray, that time it will be what? Incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal. All lie in the same plane. And angle I is equal to angle R. Here I have taken only the single ray, not the all rays I have taken. If so many rays are coming from the bulb, na beta, or from the sun, you can take any source. If you are taking the laser light, in the laser light also, all the parallel beams are there. The beams are not overlapping with each other. Because of that reason, it is traveling very longer distance. Because they are forming what? Constructive interference that you have already studied in the next chapter, that is a wave optics. Understood this thing?
मैं वो वेवलेंथ पे नहीं डिपेंड करता रिफ्लेक्शन कितना एंगल पे होगा.
Obviously, intensity, that I have already taught you, that voltage, if the voltage is greater, then amplitude of the source of the wave will be greater. If the amplitude will be greater, then wavelength will be greater. If the wavelength will be greater, the brightness, or you can say the intensity, brightness will also greater, intensity will also be greater. Because these all are directly proportional with each other. That I might have taught you in the last class. Correct? Vivek?
Yes, ma'am.
These things I have taught you in the last class? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Understood this thing? Shall I go to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, beta. Now, next topic is about the spherical mirror. Spherical mirror is of how many types? Tell me, Vivek. You have studied in the last, on 10th class also. How many types of spherical mirrors are there?
Plane, convex, concave.
So, plane mirror is a spherical mirror?
No.
Then, who is the spherical mirror?
Convex.
Convex and? Unmute yourself, Vivek. Why you are muting all time? Who is there at your room? Who is disturbing you? That is the convex and the concave. Okay. Convex mirror means what? If I have taken one mirror,
Conversion.
then this is my mirror. So in concave, if I will say, the painting will be what? Inside the mirror or the outside? This is inside, this is outside. The painting work, okay, that is a silvered surface. Okay, that silvered surface inside or the outside of the mirror in concave. Say beta. Bachche say na, the silvered work will be inside or the outside of the mirror. Vibhay, tell me the answer, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, for what?
I have asked you the question, dear, that in concave mirror, the silvered surface will be inside or the outside. Inside or the outside? You know it or not? हाँ
मैम क्या चीज?
बेटा, हमारा जो सिल्वर कलर का जो हम लोग करते हैं ना मिरर के ऊपर, देखा होगा ऑरेंज कलर का हम लोग सिल्वरिंग पेंटिंग करते हैं पीछे साइड में, तब जाके हमें सामने वाली साइड में हमें
Yes,
दिखाई
ma'am.
देता है।
Inside.
कॉनकेव में इनसाइड होता है।
हाँ मैम, वो
Concave-
मिरर का जो पेंट होता है वो तो इनसाइड ही होगा।
ना, गलत। कॉनकेव में लाइट जो होती है वो इनसाइड की तरह स्ट्राइक होकर के फिर जाती है। इसका मतलब जो पेंटिंग है वो कहाँ है? आउटसाइड द सरफेस है, तभी तो लाइट इनसाइड से होते हुए जा रही है। और वही कॉन्वेक्स में हमारी लाइट ऐसे जाती है ऊपर वाले साइड से, तो अंदर वाली साइड हमारी सिल्वर्ड होती है। सो इन कॉनकेव मिरर our outside part is what? Silvered. It means painted. And in convex mirror, inside part is what? Our painted. Is this clear, Vibhay? Is this clear, beta?
नहीं, मैं तो बेसिक है।
बेसिक है, फिर भी आपको पता नहीं था, right?
मैम वो क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आते सही
I have
से।
started from the basic and then I will go to the advanced level. I am just giving you the revision of class 10th. Now suppose this is your convex, this is your mirror, whatever you can take it as a concave or convex, whatever, doesn't matter. Suppose I have taken the concave mirror, okay? So if this is my center of curvature, center of curvature is what? That point from where we have done the circle. That is the radius, this point, right? So half of the radius is known as what?
और
My
मैम हमने ओवरव्यू बनाया।
गलती हो गया बेटा, रफ डायग्राम है, ठीक है? लेफ्ट सर्कल कर देती हूँ।
Audible.
It's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your curvature. Half of the curvature is what? My focal. This is known as what? Pole. This point is known as what? Pole. If I am talking about a concave mirror, then outside part of the concave mirror will be what? My silvered. Okay, that's okay. So radius, this is, suppose if I had taken this part, this is known as what? If I have taken it as a B, AB is my reflecting surface. If I have taken this part, this is known as what? Reflecting surface.
मैम ये मिरर का है या फिर लेंस का है?
This is about the mirror or lens, you say?
मिरर का। अच्छा,
Then
मिरर का है।
lens is look like this one, right? This is your lens.
लेंस में दो गोले होते हैं, दो गोले मर्ज करते हैं।
Right now I'm teaching you about the 10th basic that we have already studied. This is the center of curvature. C is the center of curvature. This is CB is what? My radius of the curvature. Okay. Now AB, if I join this, AB is known as what? Tell me. You said that these are the very basic things. Then tell me, what is AB?
क्या चीज?
What is AB? This one.
मिरर का।
No. Aperture.
एक वो रेडियस ऑफ एपरेचर था और एक उसका एक सेकेंड में रेडियस ऑफ एपरेचर क्या
Aperture.
3
This
टर्म्स
is
और थे
linear aperture. If you want to go
एक
in
भी पढ़ा
deeper,
था मैंने
this is known as
एक
what?
था
Linear
रेडियस ऑफ
aperture.
एपरेचर और एक
Diameter. This is what the diameter AB of the circular boundary of the spherical mirror is the linear aperture.
अपर्चर का था सेंटर ऑफ अपर्चर शायद
And the angle that is A, C and B. This angle is known as what, my? What? Say?
सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर का
No, beta. This is not the center of curvature. I am talking about the angle. A,
एंगल
C, D. This is known as what? Angular aperture. Understood, picture? This is the angular aperture. Clear? These are the basic things that you should have to know. Now, what is the relationship between F and R? What is the relation between F and R?
मैम एफ और आर कौन सा आर
Yes.
आर कौन सा वाला
Radius of this one, curvature. R.
मैम यू नॉट ऑडिबल
What is the relationship between F and R?
मैम कैपिटल वाला या फिर स्मॉल वाला आर
Capital R I am talking about. Whether it's your mood, either you can take capital, either you can take small. I am talking about the radius of curvature. What is the
मैम
relationship
एक
between
है रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर और एक है
focal length?
एफ ना एफ एक हो गया फोकस पॉइंट
Focal length F.
और फोकस का ट्वाइस कर देंगे तो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर
What is the relationship between F and R? If
आ
anyone
जाएगा
asks you what is the relationship, tell me
ट्वाइस
the
ऑफ फोकस एक
size of focus is equals to
कैपिटल आर का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल आर का स्क्वायर प्लस 4 टाइम्स ऑफ फोकस का स्क्वायर
write it down the chat box. Vibhay, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am. इसमें भी
Write it down
R
on the
minus
chat box
R
because I
minus
can't hear you
multiplication.
because you are telling me so much of things. So write it down in the chat box what you are trying to say.
FP FP तो फोकस का डिस्टेंस हुआ ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से R माइनस R.2 डिराइव किया
R minus R by 2 sec 0.
sec theta
Okay, sec theta. Wow. Who told you this one?
मैं भी पढ़ा था कल
बेटा दिक्कत यही हो रही है ना बहुत सारी चीजें एक साथ कर लिए हो बेसिक्स पता नहीं है ये आपने क्लास 10th में पढ़ा था कि हमारा जो फोकल लेंथ होता है फोकल लेंथ हमेशा ट्वाइस ऑफ रेडियस होता है जो आप पीछे देख सकते हो अगर दिस पार्ट इज योर एफ दिस पार्ट इज आल्सो एफ व्हाट आई सेड कर्वेचर का आधा हमारा फोकल लेंथ होगा half of the curvature will be what my focal length. So what will be the relationship between focal length and the curvature? That is choice of focal will become curvature or half of curvature will become what my focal length. Okay. Understood this thing?
हाँ
Write it.
पता है।
तो
वो
पता था तो
तो
बताया क्यों नहीं?
मैं वो कल
आया
पढ़ा था ना बहुत सारा, तो सब कुछ याद नहीं था।
आपने बेटा?
मैंने इसमें कल 4 पेजेस भर के लिखा था। 4 भी नहीं तो एक, अभी एक और लिख लिया 5 पेज भर के।
लाइन
इसमें
से
फॉर्मूलाज
पढ़ो।
बहुत सारे हैं।
फॉर्मूला इतना
10 तो
है
है
ही
ही।
नहीं इसमें। इतने जितने भी फॉर्मूला है, ज्यादातर फॉर्मूलाज आपने ऑलरेडी क्लास 10 में पढ़े हुए हैं। और डेरिवेशन तो इस साल आपके हो गए ही नहीं, क्योंकि आपका ऑनलाइन होगा, सारे एमसीक्यूज पैटर्न में होंगे। तो आप लाइन से पढ़ो, जंपिंग की तरह नहीं पढ़ो कि ये भी कर लेता हूँ, वो भी कर लेता हूँ, वो भी कर लेता हूँ, सब कुछ कर लूंगा और होगा कुछ भी नहीं। ठीक है बच्चा, जंपिंग जैक्स नहीं करो। अच्छा, अब आप मुझे रूल्स बताओ, रूल्स फॉर कॉनकेव मिरर। आखिर आप कैसे इमेजेस को बनाओगे, उससे पहले आपको 4 रूल्स पता होना चाहिए। वो 4 रूल्स आप मुझे बताओ, एनी ऑफ द 4 रूल्स।
क्या किस चीज के?
लाइट कैसे पास करेगा? जैसे सपोज आई हैव टेकन वन मिरर, दिस इज योर प्रिंसिपल फोकस।
मैम जो ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से पास करेगी वो लाइट एकदम मतलब -180 डिग्री पे नहीं, माइनस माइनस
बस
नहीं 360 डिग्री, मतलब वापस सेम एकदम ही मतलब पैरेलली
बस
वापस जो
बेटा,
है
वो सब
रिटर्न
इतना
बैक
हाई
होगी।
फाई अभी नहीं जाना है, अभी बेसिक्स में आइए आप, बेसिक्स
ये
पे
तो
आइए।
सिंपल ही है, जो सेंटर ऑफ द
सिंपल है
मिरर
तो
पे
आप
जो
मुझे
जाती है
बताइए,
वहां
सिंपल
पे
है तो।
वो सेम एंगल से
विभय,
होगी, जीरो
विभय,
वापस।
विभय, if it is so simple, this is your
यस मैम,
curvature, this is your focal।
ये प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस से जो जा रही है वो वापस रिफ्लेक्ट होगी,
कहाँ रिफ्लेक्ट होगी?
से वो 0
ये
डिग्री।
पैरेलल बीम ऑफ लाइट, रूल नंबर 1 जो है, when a parallel beam of light which is parallel to the principal axis, how light will radiate? लाइट कहाँ से जाएगी बताइए?
टुवर्ड्स द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस होगी, जितना ज्यादा
Towards the
ऊपर होगी उतना
principal
ज्यादा
axis
वो।
मतलब मुझे एनानेट करके बताइए आप। Do the animation and tell it to me where it will go. करिए विभय, एरोनेट
क्या
करिए
चीज?
बेटा, एरोनेट करके बताइए कि मेरी रे कहाँ से जाएगी। जल्दी बेटा, मुझे आगे भी पढ़ाना है।
मैम ये तो जो आई थिंक उसका जो नॉर्मल उस पे आएगी ना,
नॉर्मल का
वहाँ
है?
वो जिस जगह पे वो लाइट मतलब गई है, जिस पॉइंट पे, उससे अगर हम एक नॉर्मल ड्रॉ करें शायद उधर वो उस डायरेक्शन में जाएगी।
कहाँ जाएगी आप मुझे एरोनेट करके बताओ विभय, क्योंकि आपने पहले ही कह दिया कि दीज आर वेरी सिंपल दैट यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड इट, सो टेल मी वेयर इट विल गो।
ऑडिबल। मैम उस पॉइंट से शायद अगर हम नॉर्मल ड्रॉ करें तो उस
तो आप
डायरेक्शन में
करके
जाएगी।
दिखाओ ना विभय, एरोनेट करो और करके दिखाओ मुझे। माउस है ना आपके पास, या माउस भी नहीं है तो
उस
मोबाइल में
पे
भी एनिमेशन,
व्हाइट
मोबाइल
बोर्ड
में
पे।
भी हाँ
अरे
बेटा,
मैम
मोबाइल
इस
में भी
पे
एनिमेशन होता है,
एक
करके
सेकेंड,
दिखाइए आप मुझे।
इस पे अगर हम एक नॉर्मल बनाए तो उस डायरेक्शन में शायद होगी।
कहाँ से पास होना चाहिए? कोई बात नहीं बेटा,
ये तो फोकस से हो रहा है ना पास।
फोकस से पास होगा तो?
We are not audible.
I am saying beta that from where it will pass, curvature, focal or anywhere, or at the pole.
मैम
From where it
फोकस ही
will
लग रहा है, इन्फिनिटी से तो फोकस पे ही आएगा.
focus पे ही आएगा. Confirmed? Lock कर दूं? Lock कर दूं? हाँ विभय, कंफर्म्ड है या तुक्का लगा रहा है बेटा?
हाँ मैम उसी पे आएगा. कन्वेक्स में भी फोकस पे ही आता है इन्फिनिटी से जब आता है.
करेक्ट आंसर.
मैम तुक्का नहीं बताया, उस पे ही आएगा. कनकेव मिरर की और कन्वेक्शन की सेम प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं, दोनों मैग्नीफाई करते हैं दोनों, बट उसमें वो
Correct.
इन्वर्टेड हो जाता है बस फोकस.
करेक्ट है. What will happen? So this is the first rule. Write it down in your notebook. Write it down and show it to me, whatever you have written it. Whatever I have taught you, that should be written on your notebook. And I want it. I will check it daily. On the daily basis, whatever I will, whenever I will teach you. So write it down the rule. When a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis, when the ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it will go from the focus. After reflection, it will go from the focus. After reflection, it will go from the focus. Second rule. What will happen? What will happen if the beam of light passes through the focus? Where it will go? Where it will go when the beam of light passes through the focal? The rule number 2. Vibhay?
मैम फोकस से पास हो रही है और इस केस में बाउंस बैक ही होना चाहिए.
Bounce back हो जाएगा.
क्या नहीं, बाउंस बैक
Like this.
वो पास है.
Like this.
तो नॉर्मल बनाएंगे तो सब होंगे. मैम नॉट ऑडिबल.
You are audible to me. It means it will be like this. Vibhay, you don't have to take so much of time. If you will take so much of time, then how I will complete the syllabus?
Yes ma'am.
Say it fast, because you told me that these are very simple things and you know it very well. So tell me, if the ray of light passes through the focus, then the beam of light will be in which direction?
Yes ma'am.
Tell me the direction of the beam of light. You don't know.
मैम या तो वापस बाउंस बैक होगी और या तो पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस होगी.
या नहीं होता है बेटा, या तो होता है या तो नहीं होता है. It will be parallel to the principal axis, just opposite of rule number 1. Rule number 2 is the just opposite of rule number 1. So write it down in your notebook. If the beam of light passes through the focus, when the beam of light passes through the focus in the concave mirror, after reflection, it will be parallel to the principal axis. It will be parallel to the principal axis. Written beta? बच्चे written? Vibhay, written beta?
And what?
The thing that I have told you right now. Second rule. Written the second rule.
हाँ ये है मेरे पास।
क्या बच्चा? क्या बोल रहे हो बेटा? आवाज समझ में नहीं आ रही है, आप क्या बोल रहे हो?
हाँ मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया इसका।
मतलब लिखने का कष्ट नहीं करोगे। वेरी गुड. What will happen? The third rule. What will happen if the ray of light passes through the curvature?
हम कर्वेचर से पास होगा तो पहले इन्फिनिटी से आया था तो फोकस से पास हुआ, फोकस से गया तो पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस था, और कर्वेचर से जाएगा तो या तो मैम मेरे हिसाब से इसका वापस बाउंस बैक होगा शायद,
Correct answer.
पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस।
Correct answer. It will bounce back. It will bounce back.
हाँ बाउंस बैक।
So write the third. Okay, you don't want to write it the third rule because you don't want to write.
अभी तो
Fine. So the third rule states that when a beam of light which is passing through the curvature, it will bounce back after reflection. Now the fourth rule. The fourth rule is if the beam of light passes through the pole, what will happen? If a beam of light strikes the pole, what will be the reflection? In which direction the ray will be reflected?
मैम उसमें मोस्ट पॉसिबली दो केस हो सकते हैं, सेकंड वाला नहीं मेरे साथ
What?
तो वो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस मैम वो मेरे साथ तो शायद वो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के अबाउट ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जाएगा।
आप करके दिखाइए, एनिमेट कीजिए। गलत, wrong, totally wrong. The beam of light will be reflected with same angle. Whatever the angle of incidence will be, the same angle will be the angle of reflection. With
बट
the
मैम वो
same
तो प्लेन
angle,
मिरर
it
में
will
होता है।
reflect. क्या?
मैम वो तो प्लेन मिरर में तो वही होता है।
यहाँ पोल पे भी आएगा जब हम सरफेस के इधर करेंगे. It's not about the plane mirror. The rule says that what? In whatever medium, if the medium is same, then the plane of, because this is what? Normal. This will be, the surface will be what? Normal. Correct? This is your normal. Incident ray, normal, and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane, and angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflection. So these are the 4 rules of the concave mirror. Now, show me the diagram. Now, the second part. Draw the diagram, ray diagram, Vibhay, and send it to me on the WhatsApp. Draw the ray diagram, all the 4 rules I have taught you. Ray diagram.
मैम एक तो वो था
Okay. Stop doing this. I want the neat and clean diagram in your notebook and send it to me on my WhatsApp. When an object is beyond the curvature, all these things you have studied in class 10. Show me the neat and clean diagram in your notebook. neat and clean, not the rough one. Do it fast.
मैम वो
What? You don't have pencil?
इन्फिनिटी से तो डायरेक्ट फोकस
अच्छा,
पे आएगा।
मुझे प्रोसेस
बाद
नहीं जानना, मुझे डायग्राम
beyond
देखना है
curvature.
बच्चे। Where I want to see the diagram in your notebook and send the pic on the WhatsApp, the group one. मुझे आपका ग्रुप में आंसर चाहिए। चलिए भेजिए।
Yes मैम वेट। एम भी तो इन्फिनिटी वाला और वो कर्वेचर वाले पे हो।
क्या बोले बेटा?
मैम मतलब किस हिसाब से करना उसको, वो फोकस से पास हो रहा है कर्वेचर या फिर डिस्टेंस के हिसाब से?
बच्चे ये आपने क्लास 10th में भी पढ़ा है, when an object is beyond the curvature and when I'm teaching you saying that yeah these are very simple, तो आप मुझे नोटबुक में बना के दिखाओ। 7 या 8 मिनट्स हो गया मैंने इस चीज को दिया हुआ, and still you are asking. If this is your, if you don't know, tell me ना man, you know, I don't know.
नहीं मैम वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि वो उसको मतलब वो डिस्टेंस वाइज रे डायग्राम बना के दूं या फिर
Distance कैसे हो सकता है? When an object is beyond the curvature, when the object is beyond the curvature, the object is here. So what is the rule says? There are 4 rules, na? It means first the panel beam of light strikes with this, and then it will go from the focal. The second ray will be what? From the curvature. And it will bounce back. Means that my image will be here itself, between center of focal and the curvature. This is A, this is B. Then it will be what? B dash A. So it is inverted and small in size. This is the nature of the object. You have not studied in class 10? Vasu, beta, say something.
Yes ma'am.
These things you knew it or not?
क्या चीज?
इमेज आपको बनाना आता है या नहीं आता है बेटा?
नहीं मैं ये पूछ रहा था कि जो रेज है, जो रे डायग्राम बनाऊं उसमें मतलब डिस्टेंस वाइज बनाऊं एट इंफिनिटी, बियॉन्ड कर्वेचर, एट कर्वेचर उस हिसाब से, या फिर लाइट रे पास कहां से हो रही है उस हिसाब से, कर्वेचर से पास हो रही है प्रिंसिपल उस हिसाब से?
वैसे आपको क्वेश्चन क्या दिख रहा है? व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज बियॉन्ड द कर्वेचर, तो आप एक सर्कल बनाओ, मे बी 4 सेंटीमीटर का हो, 5 सेंटीमीटर का, उसका आधा आपका हो जाएगा फोकल, यानी कि फोकल आपका 2 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस में होगा। उसके पीछे है ना आपका ऑब्जेक्ट बियॉन्ड द कर्वेचर। बियॉन्ड मतलब क्या? उसके पीछे। बियॉन्ड मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? उसके पीछे ना बेटू।
मैम
बात समझ में आ रही है कि नहीं? आ रही है कि नहीं बच्चे? हाँ बच्चा, समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है?
मैं बना रहा हूँ
ना। आपका होमवर्क है, व्हेन, क्वेश्चन लिख लो आप। व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट कर्वेचर।
डायग्राम बना रहा हूँ।
आप ये डे डायग्राम का मुझे होमवर्क सॉल्व करके दोगे नेक्स्ट क्लास से पहले। और देखता रहता कि आप कल कर रहे हो, right? When an object is between curvature and focal, third one. Then next question. When an object between focal and pole. Okay. These are the things you have to make it. So this part, this tree diagram is your homework, today's homework. Clear? Clear?